Do you dream of transforming your garden into a peaceful and inspiring retreat? You're in the right place. Welcome to Relaxed Gardens, your destination for beautiful garden design ideas, creative makeovers, and relaxing outdoor spaces. From clever DIY garden projects to space-saving designs and budget-friendly transformations, we'll explore everything you need to turn any outdoor area into a place of charm and beauty. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for weekly inspiration, and share it with your garden-loving friends. And tell us in the comments, what's your dream garden design? Let's get started. The magic of a truly relaxing garden lies in creativity and thoughtful design. Start by bringing life to vertical spaces with climbing plants, wall planters, or hanging greenery, a simple trick that creates depth and beauty. Blend colorful flowers with calming greenery for balance, and add stone art, water features, or decorative pathways to give your garden a natural flow. For extra charm, include DIY touches or budget-friendly garden decor that reflect your personal style. These little details not only save space, but also create a sense of peace and harmony. With the right garden design hacks and a touch of imagination, any outdoor corner can be transformed into a relaxing sanctuary full of inspiration. there you have it. Inspiring garden design ideas that prove beauty can bloom anywhere with the right vision and creativity. Your garden doesn't need to be large to feel magical. It just needs thoughtful touches that bring out its charm. Thank you for joining us here at Relax Gardens. If you enjoy these ideas, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more relaxing garden inspiration, and share this video to inspire others. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which garden makeover idea would you love to try next? Until next time, may your outdoor spaces continue to grow in peace, beauty, and relaxation.